Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App if it isn't letting you order your Cash App card. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your device, and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support. And then click on Not About a Transaction. From here, tap on Chat to contact customer support. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative, and hopefully this will fix the issue. If it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.